Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayashola Ogundele, Celestial and Space Hotel, facilitator of a Quotidian celestial escapade and extraterrestrial vacation adventure. The focus points are as follows: the celestial sojourn, the cosmos commercialization, the space hotel, and the space hotel concept. The paradigm shift from government space agencies' sole effort of space exploration, which commenced in the 1950s, to space commercialization in the 21st century is enriching humanity's lives in an astronomical way. Based on the commercialization efforts and immense contributions of private space companies such as SpaceX, Blue Origin, Boeing, and a host of others, the global space economy is projected to reach trillions of dollars by the year 2040. Humans' passion for the cosmos and universe exploration, dated back to centuries of years ago, is gradually becoming a reality and quotidian based on the advent of celestial and space hotels made possible by the commercialization of space exploration. Based on the lucrative nature of space travel and space tourism, several private space companies are planning and developing reliable, reusable launch vehicles, suborbital space vehicles, orbital cities, space hotels, space business suites, and a host of others. Various proposals of space hotels put forward by the space agencies and private space companies are aimed at creating opportunities for in-orbit real estate and making space enthusiasts dreams of vacationing amid stars and celestial escapade come true. Ambi- Ambitions are in top tier to make space vacations in space hotels affordable to all the space enthusiasts based on advancements of rocket technology, artificial intelligence, components miniaturization, and electronics technology. In a bid to make celestial sojourn an interesting journey, celestial and space hotels are being planned. For example, Eaton Hotels has shown interest in the space tourism industry and the possibility of building or co-founding a space hotel with Voyager Space, who is planning to launch Voyager Space Station Hotel in 2027. The Celestial Sojourn. Civilian space tourists' desire to sojourn into the celestial came into fruition when Dennis Tito, the world's first space tourist, flew into International Space Station and arrived in it on April 30, 2001. Afterward, Mark Shuttleton flew to International Space Station on April 25 and 2002. Greg Ozen on October 1st, 2005, and Jose Ansari on September 18, 2006, and Charles Zamoy on April 7, 2007. These trips are the beginning of the 21st century lucrative industry. The picture here shows Dennis Tito, the world's first space tourist. Based on the perceived lucrative nature of space travel, several private space companies are planning and developing reliable, reusable launch vehicles, suborbital space vehicles, orbital cities, space hotels, space business suites, and host of others. In a bid to make celestial sojourn an interesting journey, space hotels have been planned. The picture here shows Starlab, a continuously crewed free-flying commercial space station dedicated to conducting advanced research, fostering commercial industrial activity in low Earth orbit. The cosmos commercialization. Presently, there is a surge in interest in commercialization of space exploration ventures and activities for far-reaching benefits of humanity. The global space economy, championed by the private space companies such as SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic, is an evolving global economic market, which is possible as a result of the commercialization of space exploration. One of the factors propelling space commercialization is the embrace of market forces and competition. The initial space exploration activities, solely carried out by the government space agency, is gradually giving way to private space companies' participation in space exploration. Illustration of Blue Origin suborbital flight is shown in this picture. Advancement of rocket technology, microelectronics, and communications technology is revolutionizing space exploration. Smaller and more powerful satellites, coupled with improved control systems, have dramatically reduced costs while expanding the benefits of space activities. This technological evolution has enabled the generation of valuable data and communications through space-based assets, from GPS navigation to satellite television. These technologies have become an integral part of our daily lives. Virgin Galactic suborbital commercial flight is shown in this picture. There are various advantages of space commercialization and various areas where space commercialization is providing value to the humanity are GPS, satellite communications, and Earth observation, space economy, and many more. As people's interest in space vacationing increases, efforts have been undertaken to design, develop, and launch space hotels that will provide accommodations for the space enthusiasts. Space Perspective Spaceship Neptune capsule giant balloon designed to take astronauts to space is shown in this picture. The Space Hotel. Presently, space tourism is being redefined with the plan to launch space hotels where interested space tourists and enthusiasts can lodge in outer space for adventures. Aside from private missions to space, for example, 2021 Inspiration 4 mission, where a few days was spent in space inside a SpaceX vehicle circling the Earth, and the upcoming Dear Moon mission, planned for civilians to circle the moon. Various space and celestial hotels concepts are being floated. SpaceX Starship and Super Heavy combo for commercial space flight is shown in this picture. The current space hotel is being planned for guests to be able to do regular activities such as eat and drink or sleep without having to worry about space or floating, unlike on current space stations. Northrop Grumman Free Flyer commercial destination design is shown in this picture. The space hotel concept. A variety of companies are competing to be the first in space with a functioning orbiting hotel. Various concepts of space hotel are being put forward. Examples are Voyager Station, a pioneering space hotel planned to be launched in 2027, and Galactic Sheet Hotel and Orion Span Space Hotel. Artist's concept of Voyager Station Space Hotel is shown in this picture. The proposed Voyager Station Space Hotel is planned to offer a lavish resort catering to about 280 guests and 112 crew members, affording unparalleled amenities such as restaurants, bars, a concert hall, a gym, and a cinema, all while orbiting the Earth planet. The concept of Voyager Space Hotel envisions a future where venturing in space will be a Quotidian experience. Pioneer Station design concept is shown in this picture. The idea behind the use of innovative rotating wheel molding for the Space Hotel is based on the early 20th century idea of using rotating wheel to fabricate artificial gravity. The concept was inspired by the design of Wernher von Braun, an aerospace engineer who pioneered rocket technology. The Space Hotel rotating wheel will be utilized to ensure guests can navigate with ease during their stay in the Space Hotel. Artist's concept of Aurora Station Space Hotel internal structure is shown in this picture. Upon its initial operational phase, Voyager Station is being designed to simulate the moon's gravity, a strategic choice aimed at understanding Our guests acclimate to artificial gravitational forces before potentially amplifying it to mirror Earth's gravitational pull. The proposed space hotel is designed to provide state-of-the-art amenities to fuel the Earth, to guard gracefully against the cosmic dark that no terrestrial resort can rival. Artist's concept of launching the proposed space hotel is shown in this picture. After blasting off from the Earth, the space hotel guests will arrive at a central zero-gravity docking hub. From there, elevator shafts will carry them outward to a chain of habitation modules arranged around the circumference of the circular station. At the edge of the wheel, the centrifugal force will be strong enough to keep guests and their surroundings firmly grounded. What few commercial spaceflight vehicle is shown in this picture? Orion is planning to launch the first ever affordable luxury space hotel, which is known as Aurora Station. Aurora Station Space Hotel, it will be about the size of a large private jet's cabin, about 43.5 feet long by 14.1 feet wide, and feature a pressurized volume of 5,650 cubic feet. Artist's illustration of Orion's planned orbiting hotel is shown in this picture. The Space Hotel private outpost is being designed to orbit at an altitude of 200 miles, a bit lower than the International Space Station. Aboard Aurora Space Station Space Hotel, travelers will fly freely through the space station in zero gravity. Guests will have the opportunity to participate in research experiments and even live stream via high-speed wireless internet. Artist's concept of Aurora Station Space Hotel internal configurations is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautic for Exploits. You've been listening to Celestial and Space Hotel, facilitator of a Quotidian Celestial Escapade, an extraterrestrial vacation adventure presented by Dr. Ayoshala Ogundele, with the focus points: the celestial sojourn, the cosmos commercialization, the space hotel, and the space hotel concept. Thank you.